just a little further, to the edge of discovery. Humanity has always been driven by an insatiable curiosity, relentless desire to explore the unknown and push the boundaries of what is possible. From the first controlled fire to the age of interstellar travel, this spirit has defined our species. But in the year 2237, humanity faces its greatest challenge yet, venturing beyond the confines of our solar system to uncover what lies in the depths of the galaxy. The story begins with Earth thriving as a hub of innovation, unity, and exploration. Over centuries, technological advancements have eradicated scarcity and unlocked the secrets of faster-than-light travel. Yet, even with all this progress, one question remains unanswered. What exists beyond the edge of discovery? To answer this, humanity embarks on its most ambitious journey, the launch of the Pioneer Ascendant, a generation ship designed to carry 1,000 of Earth's best and brightest minds into uncharted space. The Pioneer Ascendant is more than a vessel, it is a symbol of humanity's resilience and ambition. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, artificial intelligence, and advanced terraforming equipment, the ship represents a self-sustaining ecosystem capable of supporting its crew for centuries. Each member of the mission, from engineers to scientists to cultural historians, has been chosen not just for their skills, but for their unwavering determination to contribute to the survival and advancement of humanity. As the ship ventures beyond the solar system, the crew begins to experience the awe and terror of the unknown. At first, the mission is smooth, filled with moments of discovery and camaraderie. They encounter breathtaking nebulae, barren but mysterious planets, and signs of ancient alien civilizations. But the further they travel, the more they realize that the universe is far from silent. Their first major challenge arises when they encounter a derelict alien spacecraft orbiting a dying star. Though the crew is eager to investigate, the ship's AI warns of potential dangers. Defying the AI's caution, a team ventures onto the alien vessel, uncovering cryptic symbols and remnants of a long-dead civilization. However, their exploration triggers an ancient defense mechanism, forcing the crew to flee and leaving them with more questions than answers. As the journey continues, tensions begin to rise aboard the Pioneer Ascendant. The isolation of deep space takes its toll on the crew, leading to disagreements over priorities and decisions. Some argue for caution, advocating a focus on survival and resource conservation, while others push for bold exploration, even at great risk. These conflicts are amplified when the ship encounters a series of anomalies, including gravitational distortions and bursts of energy that disrupt its systems. The turning point comes when the crew makes contact with a living alien species, a technologically advanced but enigmatic civilization that seems both curious and wary of humanity. Initial interactions are peaceful, but cultural misunderstandings and conflicting goals threaten to escalate into conflict. The crew must navigate these tensions carefully, learning to communicate and cooperate with beings whose values and perceptions are fundamentally different from their own. Amid these challenges, the crew uncovers a profound mystery, a signal originating from the center of the galaxy, pulsing with mathematical precision. The signal appears to be a message, one that predates any known civilization. Deciphering its meaning becomes the crew's central mission, as they believe it could hold the key to understanding humanity's place in the cosmos. As they draw closer to the source of the signal, the crew faces their greatest test yet. They must confront not only external threats, hostile environments, alien adversaries, and the limits of their technology, but also internal struggles, personal sacrifices, moral dilemmas, and the weight of their responsibility to humanity push each crew member to their breaking point. Yet, in the face of adversity, they discover what truly makes humanity unique: the ability to adapt, to unite, and to persevere. The climax of the story sees the Pioneer Ascendant reaching the edge of a massive, ancient structure hidden within a star cluster, a relic of an advanced but extinct civilization. Within this structure lies the source of the signal, a repository of knowledge that could reshape the future of humanity. But accessing it requires the crew to make a choice: risk everything to unlock its secrets, or turn back and ensure the survival of the ship and its people. In the end, the story is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. It explores themes of exploration, survival, and the ethical dilemmas that come with venturing into the unknown. It celebrates humanity's ability to dream big, to confront challenges with ingenuity and courage, and to strive for greatness even in the face of uncertainty. Because when humanity reaches the edge of discovery, we don't stop. We go just a little further.